Okay, thank you so much for tuning in to another edition of our toy reviews. This time we feature Galvatron. Actually, 25th anniversary yata itong version na to eh. Alright, but as you can see here, as you know, the traditional Galvatron that we kids, as we know him, is canon. But this time, what we are witnessing is a battle tank. Well, basically, ito yung nakakainis din sa mga modern Transformers. Iniiba nila yung mga forms ng mga original na transformation ng mga characters. Well, this one is a battle tank. As you can see here, yung grayish characteristic ni Galvatron nagmanifest dito. Well, as you can know, Galvatron is mainly purple, but as a tank, of course, Hasbro made it a point na gawing accurate yung color niya when it comes to when it comes to a vehicle perspective. Alright, so how to transform this? I think I would rate this as a level 4 kasi medyo complicated talaga tong toy na to. Alright, so basically you have to pen this here and yeah, open this part here. Ayan o, ito ka lang, ay tanggal ka agad. Ayan. Actually, ito yung isa sa mga weirdest conversions, transformations na i-manufacture ng Hasbro. Ito, ayan tuloy. Buti na lang natatanggal naman talaga yung mga parts niya. So you have to open this part here, open this. Okay. Okay, feet. Yeah. Open yan. Then, turn mo muna itong part na to. Then, yan. Actually, arm to eh. Arm ni Galvatron to eh. And of course yan, ikutin mo muna to, ikutin mo tong part na to, baba mo yan, okay. So you could just imagine how complicated this toy is. That's why I would rate this, actually sa sa box packaging niya, ang rate na ito when it comes to level of conversion is level 3. That's for me personally. I think we should consider this as level 4 kasi medyo highly complicated tong na to. Complicated siyang i-transform talaga. Especially this part here, yung cannon part niya. Yan. Wherein kailangan pang i-open to. Yan. There. See, medyo mahirap. Ayan, to the point na nahulog na mismo si Galvatron. Then, I guess I have no choice but to continue this one here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now to move that. Close this part again. Twist. Arm. And this is the interesting part of it. Kasi yan o. Just turn on. Kita mo na yung kamay niya. Okay, one thing that we have to ponder here is how to connect this again, or to reconnect this to Galvatron's body. So there's a slot here actually that gives a buffer na if in case lang na siguro in-anticipate ng Hasbro na ito ay madali siyang mahirap siyang i-convert, so it is a manufacturer's decision to somehow make it na medyo detachable yung mga parts niya, especially with this part here. Yan. Yan. Alright, here. Yan. Then, finally, the head. Okay, yan. Tanan natin yan, part na yan. Kanina may mga parts na natanggal, so we have to reconnect it here. Yan. Connect. Yan. As well as here. Yan. The weird part here is kung bakit may paa dito sa likod. To be honest, I really don't know. Alright, so there we go. We have here the Galvatron, which is the 2009 edition, or 2008 edition rather, of this toy here. That concludes our toy review for Galvatron. Hope you like it. Thank you. Good night.